Welcome to one of South Mumbai's most anticipated residential landmarks, a space where luxury meets location and the future is already being built. Located in the heart of the city, this under construction development offers stunning views, thoughtful layouts, and modern lifestyle amenities, all spread across two towers with possession expected in 2030. Let's break down the current offerings. Starting at 4.07 cr, the 2 BHK units range from 784 to 873 square feet, perfect for those seeking an elegant living space. For growing families, the 3 BHKs are generously sized between 1,103 and 1,417 square feet, with price ranging from 5.74 cr to 7.37 cr. For those who want something larger, there is also a premium 2 BHK plus 2 BHK layout spread across 1698 square feet, offering the flexibility of two separate wings under one roof. That's priced at 8.83 cr. In Tower 2, the luxury continues with 3 BHKs starting at 1,299 square feet and going up to 1,417 square feet, priced from 6.76 cr onwards. At the top end of the offering is the 4 BHK residence, a spacious 2,079 square feet home, priced at 10.83 cr. Residents here will enjoy an elevated lifestyle with a full range of premium amenities from a private clubhouse, spa and fitness center to landscaped gardens, kids play zone and rooftop views. This project is under full swing and with possession scheduled for 2030. Now is the perfect time to step in, whether you're buying your dream home or making a smart long-term investment. Imagine coming home to panoramic sunsets over the Arabian Sea, quiet mornings with coffee on your balcony, and evenings spent in spaces designed for elegance and ease. This is where comfort meets aspiration. A space that grows with you. A place that reflects who you are and who you're becoming. Your future deserves a beautiful address and it begins right here. Book your private tour today and let your new chapter begin. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment and share it with someone who's house hunting. Subscribe to the channel for more property tours and stay tuned for what's next.